Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to this Audify review. This is Akin here. We're going to be taking a close look at Audify in this review, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best possible results with Audify. Audify goes live on the 24th of September by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a cloud-based software that allows you to create your own unique copyright-free content in form of music tracks. Now, these music tracks, whatever you decide to do with them, is up to you, but there are a number of ways you can actually make money with this. People who are professional beat creators, audio track creators, actually sell their music online to other people who use this music for so many purposes, including using them as background music, and they make a lot of money. Those who make these beats, this music, make a lot of money with this content that they create. But with Audify, you don't have to be a professional music creator or a professional composer in order to create some awesome music with the cloud-based software. So this allows you to this gives you access to millions of ready-to-use tracks. You can download unlimited music tracks. You have your one-click music mixer, and of course, this is cloud-based, meaning there is nothing for you to install, which is pretty awesome. Personally, I'll never be confident trying to use the so-called copyright-free music that you would find on YouTube. So you could actually download them and use them, and tomorrow you get a copyright strike or a copyright claim because somebody is claiming that they have, ownership of that content, and your video is probably going to be taken down, or you're going to get copyright strikes or stuff like that. So the best way to actually avoid this, and basically the cheapest way to avoid this without becoming a beat creator or a music creator yourself, is to use a kind of cloud-based software like Audify. So right now, I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best results with Audify. My first bonus, I'm going to be giving you access to my video training, where I'm going to be showing you how to actually get paid, especially on YouTube, without having to show your face on the camera. I'm going to be showing you how to do this because right now there are so many ways you can actually, create content without taking too much of your time, and of course without you having to put your face on camera. So that's my bonus number one. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. Now, you can easily use the music you are going to be creating with Audify as your background music, because this is actually proven to increase your retention on your videos. And also, basically, you can use this for anything. You can use this for affiliate marketing, and there's a number of ways I'm actually going to be showing you to make money without showing your face on camera. Also, bonus number two, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that allows you to use other people's content, other people's video, to drive a ton of traffic to your affiliate link, to your website, your blog, or wherever it is, whatever link you want to send traffic to. So this does not involve content creation. This is basically done for you. This works in every niche: make money online, health and fitness, dating, relationships, advice, and stuff like that, spirituality, law of attraction. This works in all niches, and you can actually make use of ready-made content. Just pick other people's content, use this legally to drive a ton of traffic. You are going to be getting access to a ton of resources done for you in the cloud-based software. And this is Virafig. This was actually launched on the 12th of September. So you're going to be getting access to this software as my bonus number two. Also, bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to some custom HD intro videos you can use, especially if you intend to create some videos for Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, wherever it is you want to, you intend to create videos for. Now you are going to be getting access to these intro videos, or you are even using videos in your project, like in training members area, or if you are using videos at all, you are going to be able to use this to actually grab people's attention right at the beginning of your videos, and also hopefully make them stay through your videos. Also, bonus number 4, I'm going to be giving you access to over 200 done for you mega background music tracks that you can actually use on your projects. These are created already. This is done for you. These are copyright free and you can actually use them in your projects. Also, bonus number 5, I'm going to be giving you access to a cloud-based software that allows you to capture leads and actually make money with affiliate marketing. This gives you access to a number of done for you custom squeeze page templates that you can actually pick whichever one you want, slap in your affiliate links or your giveaway links. You can use this to build your list. You can use this to give stuff away while getting people's email addresses and building your list. And you can actually do this while making money with affiliate marketing. You get access to video training. You get access to lead magnets that you can actually use to build your list and make money completely on free traffic with affiliate marketing. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to 2,000 plus HD royalty-free images that you will never find elsewhere. And also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. Now, all the vendor bonuses are going to be waiting for you in the members area of Audify. My own bonuses are going to be waiting for you in the members area of Warrior Plus. So all you need to do is go to your Warrior Plus account. Once you log in, you go to your purchases, and also you see Audify, and then you see my own bonuses right next to the product there. And what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses right now is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of the red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Audify, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based music creator software. So here it says, world's #1 AI-based music composer and premium tracks mixer at a low one-time price. Get instant access to the world's first AI-based music composer and mixer platform that compose unlimited premium music tracks in just 30 seconds. You can use this, you can sell unlimited audios to your clients with commercial license, and also one platform where you can actually sell this kind of music or tracks is on Fiverr, where you can actually create gigs, offer these as a services, and actually get paid. Right now, as I speak to you, people are actually doing this and getting paid for this kind of resources that they are providing. So come check this out in your own time to get full information about Audify. This goes live today. This goes live on the 24th of September by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. You're also going to find proof of results right here on this sales page. So come check this out in your own time to get full information about Audify. So I'm going to show you the pricing right now, and then I'm also going to let you see how this works and how you can get the best results with Audify. So the front end, which gives you access to all these features, goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is pretty cool in my own opinion. You get music in 20 plus categories. You get to save unlimited music tracks. These are royalty free music, no copyright at all, and you get access to inbuilt video and image editor. So you don't need any other software to even create videos. Videos allow you to actually engage, and if you are doing anything internet marketing, if you are not using videos yet, I think you should consider using video, especially when you lay your hands on a tool like Audify. The first optional upgrade is the Audify Pro plus reseller license that goes for $37, and this gives you access to all the pro features. You get access to text-to-speech software, advanced video editor, unlimited reseller license, and you get all restrictions removed, and then go unlimited without watermarks. The second optional upgrade is the Audify agency that goes for $47. You get access to your own personal admin panel. You get to add unlimited users, sell Audify at any price, so you get limitless earnings. The third one is the Audify stock edition. You get access to searchable membership. You can search stock images. You get access to 2 million plus HD stock images, 1 million plus ultra HD stock videos, 20K plus vectors, 8,000 plus high quality royal free audio, and you get access to a ton of resources you can actually use to create awesome content. Upgrade number 4 is the Audify Tri-Host, and you get access to unlimited storage for all your files, unlimited web hosting, unlimited video hosting, commercial license included, and this goes for a one-time fee of $47. The fifth upgrade is the Audify automation that goes for $37. You get access to all-in-one marketing suite, automated social media sharing, full analytics. You get access to outsourcers license. The next one is the Audify Done For You edition that goes for $27. You get access to 50 Done For You products to sell. The final upgrade is the Audify White Label edition. This goes for $97, and this gives you access to rebranding. This allows you to rebrand the product as your own and basically go ahead and do anything with it. So that's going to be my review for Audify. Right now, I'm going to let you see how Audify works and how you can actually put this to use for your own profits. You're also going to find the demo right here in this video on this bonus page. Thank you for checking out my Audify review, and it's bye for now.